Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to design your own Roblox outfit from scratch. Shirt, pants, all of it for free. We will go through the whole thing step by step, so just follow along. Okay, so first we're going to do the shirt. Open up a new project. You need the width 585, height 559. Remember these because if you upload something to Roblox that is a bit different, they will reject your design. These are the spaces where your design will be. Once we have the canvas, let's import the template. Open and place. Here it is, the shirt template. Delete these parts right here and these squares. You can use the select tool. Make a selection like this and delete. If it asks to rasterize, rasterize. So your template should look like something like this. Here is where the design will show on the character. Now, for my design, I need to add two squares with different colors on them. Oh, sorry. Let me use the square tool to add two squares with colors. This is the first one. Let me just duplicate it and move it to the left. Always remember to rename your layers so you don't confuse them. So, the one will be blue and that one will be purple. Let me just add in my colors quickly. Double click on it, blending options, color overlay. I have the hex code, so this is the blue. Okay, and then the purple. Same thing, color overlay. Use the hex code. And move the layers down to the bottom. Now here is the design with the colors in it. Now next thing, I want to add the shading. I already downloaded the template for the shading. All I have to do is just place it. You can find them on Google, Pinterest, or any other website. Here it is, shirt shading. Make sure the shirt shading is on top. And let me just lower the opacity 50% because I don't like it to be too dark. Next, let me add my picture. So I will add it at the chest space because it will appear on the character's chest. So here is where you add it. Make sure it is only in this part, not overflowing to other parts because that will mess up the design. And that's it. Now for the pants, it's basically the same thing. But first, let me tell you something about pants. If you want to design pants only, or you want to upload one design only, if you want to upload some kind of overalls, you can use the pants template for it. Let's move on. So here is my pants template, deleted everything from it. Since I'm only uploading pants, I'm going to only use this lower part. And since I'm using the same colors, I'm going to import stuff from the shirt design. Let me import the blue background color and the purple. And for this design, the layers will be switched, so the purple will be on the left and the blue will be on the right. And also, since I'm not using the upper part of the design, this one again, I'm going to lower it. Just like that. Let me just drop them to the bottom. And I'm going to add the same shading I added for the shirt. Open and place, shirt shading. Let me put the shading on the top. And here is one thing, since I'm not going to use this part, I don't want anything to appear in this area, because if anything appears here, it might glitch out my design at the end. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to delete this part of the shading. Since I'm only on the shading layer, only the shading will be deleted. If it asks to rasterize, rasterize. And delete. So now I need to add shoes. This part is the shoes part. Let me open a new tab. So here is the shoes design that I downloaded that I want to use. But I want to change the color for it. So first we need to remove this white part of the image. This is very simple. Use the magic wand, click anywhere, delete. The background has been removed. Then change the color for the shoes, double click it, color overlay, add in your color. For example, for me, I'm going to use my teal color, and I will show you a cool effect that you can add. Here's my color added to it. Remove this. Use this one, blend mode, to change the way the color blends with the design itself. So for me, I'm going to use this one, hard mix. I like the way it looks, so I think it looks cool. I'm going to use it on it. Test the blend modes, test different colors to find the best one that suits you. And here are the shoes. I added them and just made sure they are aligned in a nice way on the template here. Now all I have to do is save this pants design and save the shirt design and then upload them to Roblox. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.